Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox hair mobile friendly. Creating hair that looks great and performs well on mobile devices is crucial for reaching a wider audience. We'll cover essential techniques to ensure your custom hair assets are optimized for various screen sizes and processing powers. By following these steps, you can provide an excellent user experience for all players, regardless of their device. Let's dive into making your hair designs accessible and stunning for everyone on the go. When creating hair for Roblox, mesh optimization is key for mobile performance. Aim for a low polygon count, as Roblox isn't optimized to handle large quantities of triangles efficiently. This significantly impacts game performance, especially on mobile devices. Focus on efficient mesh topology to ensure smoother rendering and simplify complex shapes without sacrificing too much visual quality. Remember, fewer polygons mean faster loading and better gameplay for everyone. Next, let's talk about textures and materials. For mobile, it's best to use smaller texture resolutions, such as 256 by 256 pixels, to ensure faster loading times and reduce memory usage. Choose materials that render efficiently on mobile devices. A great technique is to bake intricate details into your textures, like normal maps, rather than relying on a high polygon count to achieve visual richness. This creates the illusion of detail without taxing mobile hardware. Finally, proper rigging and attachment are vital for mobile compatibility. Rig your hair to the character's head so it moves naturally with the avatar. When rigging, use as few bones as possible to keep animations efficient and lightweight. After rigging, attach the hair using the correct accessory methods within Roblox Studio. This ensures your custom hair integrates seamlessly and performs well across all mobile devices, providing a polished look for every player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.